guys, welcome to another video. So my friend's baby shower is tomorrow and I bought some gifts for her. So I thought I'll make a quick video before I hand over these gifts to her and I have nothing else to show you. Let's get started with the video and let me show you some of the gift ideas that you can buy. So what I have bought for her is a different set of items, something that she can cherish, something that she can utilize upon, and also I'll cover what else you can buy, whatever we have gifted to our friends before, which has been very much beneficial to them. The first thing that I want to share is I have bought this cute little scrapbook for her little cutie, which is of the way. This I bought from RG's. They have a few more options which is pretty decent. This is an old and nice way to record everything about your baby. Like you can put some memories, you can put some snapshots. Similarly, you can write down few things, some of the baby things that you can record, some fun items. So I know that my friend would love to record all this for her baby. So I bought this for her. And then I bought this baby on board for her. It's just cute, so I just bought it. Next up, I bought this cute little bibs which have I love mommy written all over. This I bought from Mothercare. So another thing that I liked in Mothercare was this cute little hangers for baby. That was very cute, but I thought it might not be that useful, so I did not buy that. And one more thing that I bought for her is this pickle bag. So so after baby you need a bag because you need to put a lot of food items and clothes and diapers and all that. So I wanted to gift her a nice bag so she can put a lot of stuff inside. So I was looking for bag, but the ones that are in Mothercare and Baby Oi and all that are very big, bulky. So I checked them and I rather went to Chumpak and People to find something because I know that she does not like void stuff. So I had to find her something very nice and beautiful. I found this bag, and then there were so many bags which were like fuller and all, but I wanted to buy something which her husband can also carry and should not embarrass the husband when he is carrying. So I think this is pretty decent and it has a lot of space inside. It's easy to carry. So I think this will be pretty useful. And in general also this is pretty useful bag. One more thing that I don't have right now with me but I'm going to buy is the BioCare oil, which will help in reducing the stretch marks, because it is very important to take care of this after you deliver the baby. Once your body starts shrinking, it is very important to take care of the stretch marks. So I think it's a very good option to give to your friend some of the oils which she can use. So if my other friends have used the normal coconut oil, so you can give them that, or you can go to Forest Essential and Kama Ayurveda. They have a range dedicated to women and post delivery and for baby care. You can gift out you can buy some oils from there. You can take this bio oil which is very famous. So I think something around this is a very useful gift for the mother. Something like a big bag that she can carry is very helpful. Other than that, you can gift your friend the stretchable pants which comes with the elastic, because in the later stages it becomes very difficult to wear something and you need something to hold upon. So you can give your friends some salwars or jeans with that kind of elastic pants so that they don't have to compromise on their fashion in the last few months. Then something for the baby to sleep on or something for the baby to wrap on is also a very good idea. You will find all this in Baby Care and Baby Oi and all that. And another thing that I gave to my friend which she found very helpful is like, so Mothercare has all these nighties and it has a cover up on top. So those are very good gifts if you're comfortable. So depending upon your friend, you can give that to her also because it is very easy while feeding, and my friend gave us this feedback that it was like super helpful for her during her feeding days. So that was another good option. And then there are these sleep pillows that come because later in the days it becomes very difficult to sleep. So there are this nice huge long sleep pillows which you can just wrap around your body and you can sleep. So you can gift her something like that. You can gift some photo frame to your friends wherein they can put their baby pictures upon. One thing that I wouldn't suggest gifting your friend, which I did that and then my friend did not use it, is like, don't buy that Baby Care range like Himalayan range or Johnson's and Baby, because usually parents have, once the baby is born, parents have their own preference. They sometimes follow what the doctor says. I gifted something for my friend from Johnson's and Baby, being a popular brand, but she said that the doctor suggested her not to use that for the baby. So I would say refrain from that. Then again, you can gift some diapers to your friend. That also I will say just restrict upon that, because again it is a personal preference of the parent. Some use the diapers, some would like to go for some other brand of diapers and all that. So you can just refrain from that. And make sure that whatever you're buying from the baby, buy it from a nice shop, nice and clean shop, because it's for baby, they're very delicate. So yeah, these are some of the ideas that I had in my mind. Do let us know in comments if you think there is something else that I should have included in the video, or you would have given to your friends and which was very helpful to your friend. So do let me know in comments. And I hope you found this video helpful. For more such kind of videos, stay tuned to the channel. I'll be back with more. And I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it. And follow me around. So till then, have a nice time. Bye bye. Take care.